Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore battery temperature alerts using BMS data tools, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore battery temperature alerts using BMS data tools, begin by accessing your battery management system or BMS software. Ensure that your computer or mobile device is connected to the BMS. Launch the BMS software interface. Navigate to the Settings or Configuration menu. Locate the section dedicated to temperature monitoring and alerts. Check for existing temperature alert parameters. If alerts are disabled, enable them by adjusting the settings. Select the appropriate temperature thresholds for alerts. Save these changes within the BMS software. Next, pull up your battery data logs or metrics. Review historical temperature data to understand past performance. Identify any patterns or anomalies in the temperature readings. Use this data to adjust the sensitivity settings of your alerts if necessary. Once adjustments are made, return to the Settings menu. Confirm the new alert thresholds by conducting a test alert. Verify that the alerts function correctly under controlled conditions. If issues persist, consult the BMS user manual for troubleshooting steps. Consider updating the BMS firmware if no improvements occur. After resolving the alert issue, monitor the battery's performance regularly. Evaluate the effectiveness of your restored alerts over time. Document any changes made to the settings for future reference. This process will help ensure your battery operates within safe temperature limits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.